What's up there, guys? How you doing? Well, it's been quite a while since I've shot a video. Just waiting for winter to screw off, but it's taken quite a while. So we got a bunch of stuff installed here to install this year on the Jeep. There's the Jeep. We got the bumper on last year, but it really did much with it. But yeah, we'll show you some of the things we got to go here. We got these guys on the go. We're gonna probably, I might throw those on today. They go over here, right there, little steps, because basically what we got going on, I ordered a roof rack, mounts to here, goes up all the way around. She's got all her crossers and stuff, and she goes around, mounts to the back frame. Almost fell. Got a new bumper on the go. It's in the shed. Got a swing out tire carrier to go on the back here. We have brand new rims and tires. We got their 35-inch tires we're going to put on this baby. Just ordered my lift today. Should be in a few weeks. Picked these up used. Just a couple rock sliders for the sides. This is that rack I was talking about. The cargo rack there. That's my new bumper. That there is my swing out tire carrier. So I decided to go with a 3.5-inch rough country lift to put on the Jeep. See that winch right there? Right there. That thing I've been tripping over for probably, I don't know, 10 or 15 years. Whenever the hell it was, I had my last Jeep YJ. That was on it, and I've been saving it ever since. Finally, it's on something I can use. Picked this thing up in the fall. Currently have my car stored in there. I'm actually thinking about getting rid of the car. I'm tired of storing it. I want to turn this into a garage. So that's going to be another little project to go for the year. You know, I'm going to run all the wood in there and just like really, it's not a garage, but I mean, it's better than what I got. Better than working out of a shed. At least this one here, I can set up benches and stuff inside and actually, you know, do stuff out of it. But yeah, going to make that into a garage this year. Gonna have to find a place on here. Probably over here. I don't know if I have enough room on that side, but I picked up a couple of these hinges. You actually, when you take the doors off the Jeep, they'll mount directly onto the wall and get them out of the way. So I'll stick them on my shed, and yeah, that'd be kind of a neat little setup. Well, guys, I know it's been a bit of a short video. It's been quite a while since I've seen yous all. All you guys that have stuck around all this time waiting for me to put something up again, thank you very much. We will get back to hopefully more uploads this summer, and yeah, I'm gonna do I think I got probably 3 or 4 road trips planned this year. Probably gonna take the Jeep, might even take my car. What I'm thinking about doing, if I sell the car, is getting myself a Suzuki Samurai. I've had one before, friggin' loved them. Been kicking myself in the ass for getting rid of the one I had back in the day ever since. So if I get that instead of my car, that'd be a nice little setup. You know, we'll go do some off-roading and all kinds of stuff around the area, and we'll add some more content to the channel. Take her easy, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.